video, what we're going to do is talk about how to re-record audio using Audacity, which is kind of important if you're used to working with Adobe Audition. So say you had a portion that you did not like in your video, in your audio, I should say, and you're in Audition. It's pretty simple just to re-record over that section. If it's just a short clip, it's no big deal. So we're going to show you how you can handle that if you're actually working with Audacity instead. So I'm going to play for you a portion of some audio that I'd recorded, and I was unhappy with it, and so you'll see why. Here we go. So we'll go to the upper left side of the screen where it says Posts. And I don't know if you caught that, but instead of saying screen, I said scream. Here we go again. Upper left side of the screen where it says Posts. And outside of that, the rest of the audio was just fine. So I don't want to start over and re-record the whole thing. It's a really clean section in the waveform, this little portion where you can just see how just simple and clear it is. It's really easy for me to find. So if I were working in Audition, I would simply just select this area, plus record and go. So let's see what happens if I tried that here. And you can see that instead of allowing me just to re-record what I've been working on, it actually just starts recording here and adds a whole new section for me. So instead of that, I'm going to go back to where I was, and I'm going to show you what else we can do about that. So here we were, and there we are. We had this simple portion of the waveform that we'd like to replace, but we're going to work with the software and let Audacity do what it does. So let's go ahead and listen back to those words again. So we'll go to the upper left side of the screen where it says Posts. Okay, and let's go ahead and press record, and we'll just work with what it'll let us do. So we're going to go back to the upper left side of the screen where it says Posts. All right, so now we have a nice short portion of audio, and we're going to take that audio. We're just going to work around the situation. We're going to take it, and we're going to go to Edit, and just like you would do with any other document, we're going to cut, and we'll come back and find the offending portion, and we're going to come right in here, and to ensure that it fits, we're just going to go ahead and hit Paste. All right, so it's a little longer than the portion that we started with, and we can see that maybe the volume was a little louder. For that reason, something that's really important to note is that we are going to do all our post-production editing, removing noise print and things like that, leveling the audio after we make any of these kinds of edits. So we're going to go ahead and delete that portion. You can press delete, you can cut. We'll just go ahead and hit the delete key. And let's see if it will flow seamlessly. So we're going to go back to the upper left side of the screen where it says Posts and click Add New. All right, so that's it. So it's a few more steps involved, but you can achieve the same goal. So you cannot, in Audacity, you're not going to just record in place. You can just record at the end of your previous recording if you don't want to open up a new document, and then cut and paste just like you would in any other document. And then that allows you to neatly remove the portion that you wanted to remove. And that's it.